I love making videos.
Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm just an ordinary guy. My first laptop was a Windows Vista and a Nikon D40 as my first camera. But now, with the boom of social media, we can now take videos using our phones, share it with everybody, or even create a channel from it, just like I do. NAS Academy is built for the same reason: create and share. Classes here is for everyone, wherever you are. Being a beginner or to advance, learning here is fun. Whether on the go or a live one, technical things are simplified. Lectures are organized with teachers that you can easily relate to. So grab your gadgets, set the right attitude, and visit the website. Join us. An online community is waiting for you on this exciting journey. So what are you waiting for? Leave the moments and see you there.
The only true regret is what you didn't do. So we turn our engines on, pick out our favorite song. We make the tables turn. Some people never learn, no matter what it takes.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the NAS Academy.
Hello everybody, and we'll tell you
Are you
how I feel inside.
Congratulations, you on the first.
Thank you.
I was expecting it to end because I watched everyone's videos and man, the guy has talent already. But everyone was great. I enjoy watching everyone's video. Honestly, it's a surprise for me. Thank you.
Amazing.